In a world driven by innovation and precision, where every component matters and every detail defines excellence, Hussain Engineering is a symbol of unwavering quality and engineering mastery. Hussain Engineering stands as a cornerstone of the Excel Group. From pioneering advancements in printing and packaging to manufacturing high-quality tractor parts and agricultural equipment, Excel Group has a legacy rooted in delivering excellence. Recognized as the first choice vendor for Pakistan's leading OEMs, Hussain Engineering has earned a reputation for trust, innovation, and unmatched expertise. At the heart of our operations lies a modern foundry, equipped with multiple molding lines, featuring advanced green sand and CO2 resin sand techniques, enabling us to produce complex castings with precision. Core making shops carefully choose the materials like silicate, fusion resin, and molasses to match the required specifications of molds. Induction and cupola furnaces are fired daily to produce up to 15,000 tons of castings annually. Each batch is gauged using CE and spectrometers to match the precise specs for high-quality cast and ductile iron, along with a wide range of specialized alloys. Fettling shops are equipped with hanger and rotary shot blasting machines, alongside pneumatically operated chisels and grinders, to deliver flawlessly finished components to our paint shop, where baked and oxide spray techniques are used to match the OEM standards for the paint durability and cosmetic finish. Our machining lines are a testament to our commitment to precision and innovation, featuring a mix of machine tools comprising NC, CNC, SPMs. These cutting-edge systems enable us to achieve unparalleled accuracy, repeatability, and efficiency in complex machining components. With multi-axis capabilities and automated tool changes, our CNC machines are capable of handling the most intricate designs, ensuring superior quality and faster turnaround times for our clients. Driving our progress is our dedicated research and development team. Our design engineers are constantly innovating, developing patterns, jigs, fixtures, SPMs, and SOPs to optimize casting, machining, and quality assurance processes for new components. Quality is the cornerstone of our operations, and our quality control inspectors are the guardians of this commitment. We have empowered them with multiple tools, from quality labs for sand and metal testing, CMM and spectrometers to inspection gauges. From raw material procurement to final delivery, they ensure every step adheres to stringent ISO standards. Today, we are proud to be advancing towards 5S manufacturing, further elevating our operational excellence. We specialize in manufacturing a wide range of high-performance components, including brake discs, brake drums, flywheels, transmission casings, exhaust manifolds, axle housings, pulleys. Beyond automotive components, our expertise extends to a diverse portfolio of industrial castings for sectors such as energy, cement, sugar, and more. At our core, we believe there's a solution to every challenge. With a relentless focus on quality, precision, and innovation, we continue to set new benchmarks in engineering excellence.